Welcome to Onsurity, your partner in smarter healthcare. Want to check your membership details and health coverage in just a few taps? First, download and open the Onsurity app on your phone. Log in using your registered mobile number. You'll receive an OTP to confirm your login. On the home screen, go to the Active Plan section and tap on Health Insurance. Now, scroll down to the Highlight section. Here, you can quickly check important details like your coverage, exclusions, percentage of sum insured on room rent, and waiting period. For a more detailed view, navigate to Policy Docs. Under this section, tap Plan Summary to get a complete look at your policy, all in one place. And here's a quick tip. The same process works for your group personal accident policy and group term life policy. For hospitalization, coverage, and claims related queries, contact us at gooddoctors@onsurity.com or scan the QR code displayed on the screen.